Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Chrome profiles and sync settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Google Chrome profiles and sync settings, start by opening the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Ensure that you are signed into your Google account. Click on the three vertical dots located in the upper right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the You and Google section. Click on Sync in Google Services to manage your sync settings. Here, you'll see options for what data you want to sync. You can choose to sync bookmarks, history, passwords, and more. Make sure that the toggle switch Force Sync Everything is turned on if you wish to sync all settings. If you want to select specific items, click on Manage What You Sync and adjust the settings accordingly. Once you have configured your sync settings, close the Settings tab. Next, to download your profile data, click on the three vertical dots again. This time, hover your mouse over Bookmarks, then select Bookmark Manager. In the Bookmark Manager, click on the three vertical dots at the top right. Choose Export Bookmarks to save your bookmarks as an HTML file. To download your Chrome profile settings, open the Settings menu once again. Scroll down to Advanced and look for Reset and Clean Up. Select Restore Settings to their original defaults to reset your Chrome profile. Confirm your choice if prompted. This action will clear your profile but will keep your sync data. If you wish to back up your entire Chrome profile, locate the Profile folder on your computer. For Windows users, this can usually be found in C:\users\left bracket your username right bracket /appdata /local /Google /Chrome /user data. For Mac, it can be found in /library application support Google Chrome. Copy the user data folder to another location as a backup. This folder contains all your profile data, including extensions, themes, and settings. To retrieve your profile on another device, simply install Google Chrome. Sign in with your Google account to restore your sync settings and bookmarks. Once signed in, your browser will start syncing all the data you selected earlier. In summary, you can sync and download your settings by following these steps carefully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.